Hello friends, I'm excited to bring to you my once a year event, the Excel Crash Course. It is over 2 days, 4 hours in total, and I will help you to become from I don't know Excel to I know Excel really well. So what will happen in this weekend? Well, I am going to cover all the simple tips and tricks, formulas, shortcuts using simple Excel files, exercises that I have created for you, and we will be learning relative and absolute referencing, tables, charts, how to use simple formulas, and move on to more interesting formulas like VLOOKUP, something that will help you to quickly analyze the data. As you browse through the page and check it out, you will see it is full of interesting things that will help you analyze and understand your data on a day-to-day basis. Pivot tables, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, data analysis, tables, charts, and lots of resources and tips and tricks. I have created a PDF file for you and also sample files that will be shared to you when the Zoom session begins. When does it happen? On November 18 and 19. The time zones are listed on this page, and make sure to join this. Only for you, I try to keep the price extremely low just for this one-time event every year so that everybody can join, and I want to help as many people as possible. So quickly scroll down, check the ticket and book it quickly. Seats are limited. See you soon in class. All the best.